The law of attraction. It's a topic that's been hotly debated for years. On one side, you have people who swear by it, claiming that they've attracted wealth, success, and happiness simply by thinking about it. On the other side, you have skeptics who believe it's nothing more than wishful thinking, or worse, complete bullshot. Here's the truth. Both sides have valid points. And yet, they're both missing the full picture. There's a common misunderstanding that the law of attraction means just think about what you want, and it will magically appear. It's the classic think positive, get positive message that has been oversimplified to the point where it sounds like some kind of cosmic vending machine. Put in a thought, get out a result. Of course, this has led many to dismiss the law of attraction as a scam, because just thinking about something without taking any action is not going to make anything happen. The real problem. Here's the thing. If someone gave you a wrong definition of gravity, would you immediately dismiss the law of gravity as fake? No. You'd recognize that the definition they gave you was wrong, not the law itself. The same applies here. The law of attraction isn't the problem. It's the definition that's been twisted and misunderstood by many people that's the issue. The idea that all you need to do is think and receive is not the real law of attraction. That's a shallow, incomplete version. The truth is, there's much more to it than that. Just thinking about something isn't enough. You have to understand that the real law of attraction is about aligning your thoughts with actions, habits, and focus to create the life you want. It's not magic. It's not woo-woo. It's about cause and effect. So what really is the law of attraction? The true law of attraction boils down to this. Your thoughts influence your actions, and your actions influence your results. It's about what you focus on consistently. If you focus on negativity, scarcity, or fear, then those thoughts shape your actions, and as a result, your life will reflect that negativity. On the flip side, if you focus on abundance, growth, and opportunity, you'll start to see opportunities you might have missed before, because your mindset was locked into negativity. The law of attraction isn't about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's about how your mindset shapes your behavior and decisions, and ultimately, your outcomes. Think of it like this. If you walk around with the belief that the world is full of opportunities, you'll start to notice opportunities everywhere. You'll act on them. You'll follow through. But if you walk around believing everything is scarce and difficult, then your actions will reflect that mindset. You'll avoid risks, you'll hesitate, and you'll miss out on chances because you've conditioned yourself to see only limitations. The missing link. This is where most people get it wrong. They think the law of attraction is just about thinking the right thoughts, but thoughts alone aren't enough. You have to back up those thoughts with action. You have to do the work. If you want to attract success, you need to focus on success, but also take the actions that align with that vision. You can't sit on your couch, think about wealth, and expect money to fall into your lap. You have to take the necessary steps. Build skills, take risks, invest your time and energy. The law of attraction is only half of the equation. The other half is action. If you're not willing to put in the work, the universe, the marketplace, and your life won't give you anything. Let's be real. If you spend all day thinking about success, but don't put in the work, the world doesn't care. The marketplace doesn't care. You don't get what you want by wishing for it. You get what you deserve through your actions. It's not magic. It's simple cause and effect. You focus on what you want, then take massive action towards it, and that combination of mindset and effort is what shapes your outcomes. Why the law of attraction works for some people and not others. Ever wonder why some people seem to manifest the life they want, while others struggle, despite thinking positively? The answer is action. Those who succeed aren't just thinking positively, they're living in alignment with their vision. They're taking consistent action, even when it's hard. They don't stop at the thinking phase. They execute relentlessly on their goals. On the other hand, people who sit around waiting for things to happen will find themselves stuck, frustrated, and disappointed. Why? Because they're missing the action part. The universe, your life, and the opportunities around you don't reward passive thinking. They reward action. How to use the law of attraction in real life. 1. Focus on what you want, not what you fear. Your thoughts are powerful, but not in a magical way. They shape your mindset, which shapes your actions. If you constantly think about what could go wrong, you'll act in ways that avoid risk. If you focus on what you want and the steps to get there, you'll be more likely to take positive actions. 2. Take consistent action towards your goals. Once you've set your mind on a goal, back it up with action. Every day, do something, no matter how small, that moves you closer to that goal. Consistency is key. The law of attraction works best when you combine it with consistent, focused action. 3. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with, the content you consume, and the environment you live in all influence your mindset. Surround yourself with people and ideas that support your goals and avoid negativity that pulls you down. 4. Accept that you'll face challenges. The law of attraction doesn't mean you won't face difficulties. In fact, challenges are part of the process. The key is to keep moving forward, even when things get tough. Don't let setbacks stop you. Let them be lessons that push you to grow and adapt. The ultimate lesson. The law of attraction is real, but it's not magic. It's not about sitting back and hoping the universe hands you what you want. It's about aligning your mindset, actions, and habits with the life you want to create. It's about thinking positively, but also taking massive, relentless action towards your goals. The controversy exists because too many people misunderstand the law. They think it's a shortcut, an easy way to get what they want without effort. But the truth is, nothing comes without effort. The law of attraction works, but only when you put in the work. Think big, act bigger, and you'll start to see the results you're after. So let's end the debate once and for all. The law of attraction is real, but only if you combine it with action. Thoughts lead to actions. Actions lead to results. And that's the real secret to success. It's not about wishing, it's about doing.